Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Microsoft account. Guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow this our channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to download and install the Microsoft Bing into your phone. So guys, now for you to do that, you have to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. Go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, but if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So guys, let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this video tutorial today. So let me tap on my Play Store real quick. So guys, once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do now is to search for Microsoft Bing. So guys, let me tap on the search bar at the top. So then let me type it in, Microsoft Bing. Microsoft Bing. Then let me tap on enter. So guys, now you can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it so you see it clearly. So guys, now you can see the Microsoft Bing app right there. You can see it, Bing, Microsoft Corporation. So guys, what you have to do is to tap on install. So guys, let me tap on install right away. So guys, now you can see the app has started downloading. As you can see, there is at 6%. What you have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. Once it's fully downloaded, then it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let's just wait a few seconds. So guys, now you can see the Microsoft Bing app is done downloading and installing. So what you have to do is to tap on open. So let me tap on open right away. So guys, now you can see the Microsoft app is opening. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. What I have to do now is to tap on continue. But before I do that, let me get to read what is written down there. By continuing, you are accepting our terms of service. To learn more, see the terms of use, Microsoft privacy statement, and Microsoft services agreement. So guys, if you want to learn more about that, what you have to do is to tap on it. Then it will direct you to the page where you can learn more about that. So let me tap on continue right away. So guys, now you can see you are right in the app. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written tap to sign in. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can see that icon there. So let me tap on it. So guys, under this account settings, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written Microsoft account sign in. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what is written here, Microsoft sign in. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written create one. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see where it's written no account, create one. That means to create a new account. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what's written here, Microsoft create account. Guys, what you have to do now is to input your Gmail address. You can use your Gmail address or your Google account to actually create a Microsoft account. But in case you don't want to use that, you can actually use a phone number. You can see where it is written, use a phone number instead, or you can get a new email address. Guys, I'm going to be using the get a new email address. I don't want to use my Gmail address to actually open this account. So let me tap on where it is written get a new email address. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to input the new email address that you want. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted the new email address that I want. What I have to do next now is to choose the domain. So guys, you can see where it is written at outlook.com. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on that drop down icon right there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now you can see they have two domains right here. The first one is outlook.com. The second one is hotmail.com. So guys, let me leave it at the first one. Let me select the first one. So guys, what they have to do next now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Create a password. Enter the password you would like to use with your account. So guys, let me create a password right away. So guys, now you can see I've created my password. So what I have to do now is to tap on next. By tapping on next, it means you agree to the privacy statement and Microsoft services agreement. So guys, let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there. What's your name? We need a little more info before you can use this app. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to input your first name and your last name. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my first name and my last name. So let me tap on next. So guys, now you can see the next step. What's your birthday? So guys, what you have to do now is to input your birthday. But before you do that, make sure that your country/region is actually correct. You can see it. Mine is correct. My country has already been chosen automatically. So let me go ahead now to input my date of birth. Let me do that right away. Let me just use a random date of birth right away. So guys, now you can see I've inputted the birthday and my country is already chosen. So let me tap on next right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. They want us to solve this puzzle. You can see what's written there. Use the arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. So guys, what they have to do now is to change the direction of this object so it faces the direction of the hand. So let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see the object is facing the direction of the hand. So let me tap on submit. So guys, now you can see verification complete. You have proven you're human. Continue with the next step. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see I have successfully created a Microsoft account. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me go back to the profile page so you see it clearly. So guys, now you can see there at the top the arrow is pointing at it. That's my new email address for my Microsoft account. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually create a Microsoft account using the Microsoft Bing app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.